ọ̀pọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ti kú ọ̀pọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ti lọ ọ̀pọ̀ ń bẹ lọ́gbà wèrè ọ̀pọ̀ ń bẹ nílé ìwòsàn àmọ́ ẹ wo Adétọ́lá mo ní Olúwa dá ọ sí ó wà láyé ara ó gbápá ó ṣe é gbé Princess Adétọ́lá ó gbẹ́sẹ̀ ó ṣe é gbé ó lanu rẹ̀ ó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ èyí dọ́pẹ́ èyí jẹ́ ọ̀pẹ́ lọ́mọ lóyá máa dúpẹ́ máa gbọ́ lódùmarè ọba tó dá ọ sí tí ilé tẹ́ ẹbí tọkọtọkọ tọmọtọmọ o. Mo ní ìyá ọba náà ní í ṣe aya ọba náà ní í ṣe ọmọ ọba náà ní í ṣe ọmọ wa Omoalobetoriayese mo ní ṣe bí wọn náà ni mo ń ké sí mo ní máa jẹ́mi ni tèmi òkú ọdún mo láwọn ọba náà ló gbé mi débi àwọn adé náà ló gbé mi débi wọ́n ní tí àkẹ́ voices wọ́n ní wọ́n máa bá wa kí wọ́n ní ìyá wa ni wọ́n lábí amọ̀ ni wọ́n lábí amọ̀ ni wọ́n máa bá wa kí wọ́n máa bá wa kí wọ́n ní ìyá wa ni wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ọjọ́ tí ìyá ń pè bí sùn ń kọ́ wọ́n ní ó pè bí sùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ gbà nítorí àwọn ọba náà ni wọ́n ní wọ́n máa bá wa kí wọ́n lábí amọ̀ ni màmá wa wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n lájẹ́ wọn mọ́ pápápá wọ́n ní kò ní kọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu rẹ̀ lágbára ṣe dùmarè wọ́n lẹ́ni tó ṣiṣẹ́ lẹ̀ náà ni ó jíṣẹ́ rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wàá jẹ́ wọn mọ́ pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ ẹrù tábí ọmọ kì í tú ẹrù tábí ọmọ kì í wò wọ́n nígbà wákà ọmọlé iṣẹ́ wọn mọ̀ yìí lọ́sọ̀dún rẹ̀ lágbà lọ́wọ́ ọba mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ò wá nígbà ṣe eré ṣe mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní mò ń kí ọ ní gbèjègbè ẹjọ́ adé orí rẹ̀ ni ó ní wọ́n máa ń bá mi kí ó ní sweetie mi ni ó ní ọ̀ní mi ni ó ní sugar in my tea ó ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ó ní fine baby ó ní 60 like 16 ó ní wọ́n máa ń bá mi kí olólùfẹ́ mi ni ó ní ayọ̀ mi ni ó ní ìdùnnú mi ni ó ní ìyá àwọn ọmọ mi ni mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣé tójú rẹ ni kí n sọ ní Olúṣọlá o ṣé tìmú rẹ ni kí n sọ ní ṣé tẹnu rẹ ni kí n sọ ní ṣé ti sexy body at 60 ni kí n sọ ní mo ló dúró tán mo ní ṣe bí wọn ló yọwọ́ ọṣẹ tí gbogbo ọkùnrin ta lọ́lọ́ pépélé yóò bá ń dáyé ẹni ayé àjálè ẹni sexy lórí ó ní bẹ́ẹ̀ adúmáradá èyí fúnjọ owó ìbàdí àrán ọmọ tó sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ọmọ tó nà mọ́ pa mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ tó dúró olè sweet 16 mo ní ṣe bí wọn náà ni mo ń ké sí òkú oríire ọjọ́ òní mo ní má jẹ́ mọ̀ pápá lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ jẹ̀ bí màmá ti kì wọ́n nílé bàbá ńlá bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ gbọ̀ngàn mo ní máa gbóhùn ẹnu mi ọmọ wa Omoalobetoriayese ọmọ wa ọmọ ẹkùn kẹrin lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa ọmọ ẹkùn gọ̀lọ́jíà kégorí ìmọ̀lẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ láàfin ọmọ onídà mìrìmìrìmìrì lápò mo ní ọmọ alájẹ mílíọ̀nù mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo kàn tọ̀pọ̀ mẹ́fà ọmọ onídà àsòjìjì péré ó ní Adétọ́lá ọmọ tẹ́lígbọ́lá ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ mẹ́sàn-án ọmọ òkúta mẹ́wàá o ọmọ òkúta mẹ́wàá o ẹni bá sòkúta mẹ́wàá lé bàbá yín bó ń lọ sẹ́ ẹrú pé ọmọ lánìrọ̀ ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹwẹ́lẹ́ ìbẹ́yìn lẹ́ ń sin tòlótòló ẹrú bàbá yín ní sin pẹ́pẹ́yẹ àwọn agbáàlú yín o wọ́n sásọ síbẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ dì í àwọn olówó ìlú yín ìta gbangba ló ń sásọ sí ṣebí wọ́n ń ṣe fáàrí ni mo ní wọ́n ń ṣe fáàrí ni oge pọ̀ lé bàbá tó bí yín lọ́mọ gangan o mo lọ́mọ alálùbáríkà ló ti lé bàbá rẹ̀ wá wọn kígbe ọlọ́ṣà níran bàbá rẹ̀ o mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ọmọ kíkẹ́ ọmọ gígẹ̀ àgbẹ̀kẹ́ o. ọmọ lọ́dún ojoojúmọ́ mo ní bí wọn náà ni mò ń ké sí o. Omoalobetoriayese máa dání bọ̀ jọkọ̀ mo ní ṣe borí ẹlẹ́gàn ló dàrú o. mo ní máa mi síwájú máa mi sẹ́yìn mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni okú ọdún okú yèédú o. mo lẹ́mìí àṣẹ púpọ̀ lágbá ọlọ́wọ́n ọba ayé ló ń bínú kán tí wọ́n sọ kán sómi ayé ló ń bínú yọ̀ tí wọ́n ń dayọ̀ sépè ayé ló ń bínú ẹnu tí wọ́n ń sẹ́dú nìkan ayé ò ní bínú rẹ̀ ti létí ilé tẹ̀bí o. iwájú báyìí lọ̀pẹ́ tí ré sí iwájú ló mọ wà ló mọ̀ bẹ́ ò ní jábọ̀ ò ní tí ò ní tẹ́ o wà ní tẹnu gbọ́bí ọ̀wọ́ nílé ayé lágbá ọlọ́wọ́n ọba iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ ò mo ní lágbá ọlọ́wọ́n ọba kò ní dìṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ wà ní báráyé nínú lágbára ṣe dùmarè ìgbà lẹ́rẹ̀ lẹ́ni àwọn lẹ́rẹ̀ lẹ́ni lílé náà mọ́lẹ́ ò ní dín lágbára ṣe dùmarè mo ní ó yá wá máa gbọ́ dídùn ẹnu ọkọ rẹ̀ mo ló yá Adétọ́lá wá máa gbọ́ dídùn ẹnu àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ gangan mo ní wishing you long life and prosperity tọ́wọ́ níta ló ń kọrin ewì sí ẹ létí mo ní ó máa wí fún ọ pé tí àké voices akéwì ló kọ tèmi ẹ̀ẹ́dúnjọ́ bí ní mi ò bá ọmọ wishing you long life and prosperity oh.
My coming to know Shola, I prefer nice Adetola. I want to define it as destiny. In 1979, when I came to Ijesha, we both have few friends in common. One of them was the late Yemi Balogun, friend to Odeyemi. I think in 1979, Shola was about 14-year-old. Even though we all look older than that, when I look at my children today, it seems as if at their age, how do I define it? That I'm too old, or too young to know a lady. But I look older than when I see my children today. We were very good friends. And 6 years later, before I left for Italy in 1987, exactly in 1987, I came to her house in Ibadan, and I had the opportunity to steal a kiss from her. After which, as a Lagos boy, I ventured to touch her bum bum. She gave me a dirty slap, which I will never forget. And I never tried it again until one day I returned from Italy. She was already in University of Ibadan then. Precisely, she was at Idia Hall. And from here, we started our journey, bit by bit. And one day, I had the opportunity to meet a grandmother, Omoalobetoriayese. Jokingly, I played it before her that I would like to be a husband. He had always said, no problem. Just allow her to study, to finish her studies, which we did. In the meantime, we remain friends, and we have other friends as well, which we all know each other. But as God will have it, most of my prayers then was, I know the kind of person I am. I pray that God should give me a wife that any day I offend her, she will be able to forgive me, which she has turned out to be. I know the kind of head I have. I get it, I know it easily. We fight all the time. She go about her own way without looking at my side, because she know that I will still come back. But I'm sincere with her anyway, in my own way. I pray that my children too will have the woman of their own, the woman that they will offend, and she will be ready to forgive them. Shola has been a wonderful woman, wonderful lady, wonderful girl, very matured. She knows what she wants and determined to go for it. Nothing can stop her. She used to define herself as a virtuous woman. But one day, when I got to know the meaning of the virtuous woman, I tried to stop her. Because being a virtuous woman means where there are no men. But unfortunately, in this house, we have 4 men and a girl, and a small girl. As somebody used to call, somebody said one day when we went to visit somebody in their house. Well, I thank God for her life. At 60, which is not wasa, as we used to say in Nigeria here. But she doesn't look it. She doesn't look that age at all. Look at her tummy as well. Very flat, as if she's about to have her first child. I thank God for her life once more. I congratulate you on your 68th birthday. I wish many more years of prosperity, in good health. And sincerely speaking, I want to take this opportunity to say once more that I love you. And God bless. Thank you. Happy birthday, Shola. You nice. Omoalobetoriayese. Leo. Oriri Agbo.
I wanted to say happy birthday to my mom. Before saying that, I wanted to share with you and understand with you what it means to be a mom and what it means to be a mother. And I think in these few years that I've been around, I've had the privilege and the blessings of God to experience my mom, to experience what unyielding resolve mean, what sacrifice, withholding self, and thinking about others means. I've truly witnessed real grit in moments of adversity where any other person would have given up. Any other person would have said, you know what, I falter, I'm down, I can't do this. Boy, I've witnessed this woman push on, carry on, and not by herself, not only with her own baggage, not only with her own weight, but with the weight of her children and the feet of her children on her shoulder. So I became to realize that to be a parent means extreme sacrifice and constantly thinking of someone else. And I think it's high time that, you know, even if it's just one day, today we just focus and think about her, because she lived and breathed her life only for her children and for her family. And we ought to be grateful for that. We ought to, you know, commemorate and remember and celebrate this amazing woman, because she really genuinely does care. She genuinely does have a Christian heart that seeks the face of the Lord, but most importantly, seeks that the Lord is one with her children and she will do anything for us. So I just want to say thank you, Mom. Thank you for being amazing, be there, and despite the fact that sometimes we do argue, sometimes we do fight, and sometimes we may feel like, she's doing too much, she's doing extra, but she's doing it with so much love, with so much passion that even if certain relationships weren't the greatest at one point, I can say that they're great today, because she never did shy away from saying sorry if she felt like she hurt her feelings. So I realized today that I didn't just simply have a mom. I have an amazing mom, a super mom, someone that does anything for me and my brothers, and has made the relationship with me and my brothers better and easier. So once again, thank you, Mom, and I wish you a great happy birthday. I really genuinely hope that we're able to celebrate more together, and you can see our children when we have one, and you get to see our weddings when we get married. But I'm eternally grateful and eternally honored to have you as a mother. Happy birthday once more.
Happy birthday, Mommy. On this special day, I want you to know just how much you mean to me. Thank you for your love, your wisdom, and unwavering support that helped me shape my life in ways that I can't fully express. Thank you for being my rock, my confidant, and my biggest supporter. I hope this year brings you as much joy as you brought to me at the Tokumbo in these past years. I love you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I just want to say thank you and take a moment to show the appreciation for the love, guidance, support that you showed all of us, that really just shaped who I am and who we are throughout the years. And I hope this year brings you as much joy as it's given everyone around you.
Àmọ́ pẹ́ wá wá.